Hello again. Today I'm going to show you a really good knot that helps be exact when I'm changing color. So we'll say I'm making stripes, I've done the brown stripe, I want to switch to a white stripe. One of the hard things is to make the first stitch actually be white. I call it a magic row because somehow magically the brown turns to white. It's not magic if you think about it, but it's a catchy mnemonic. So I want to get the knot exactly there so that when I start working, I'm actually using white and not a little bit of brown and then white. This is called a weaver's knot because it's very exact, and I'll show you a little magic trick with it afterwards. Knitting is full of magic. So I'm making a slip knot. Any way you make the slip knot is fine, as long as it's loose. Not this part, not the loop, but the knot part has to be loose, right? Not this, that part has to be loose. And I'm making the knot with the new color. I've already cut the a good finger length or hand length off here, not too short because you don't want it to accidentally come undone. And we know what happens in children's hands. So here's the old color. It's going to go through this loop of the new color like that, right? The knot here is still super loose. I'm moving it on to exactly where I want it to wind up, right there, right snug under the needle there. And now I'm going to gently pull these tails apart. See how that loose knot is allowing me to do that. So here we go. I want it exactly there. Sometimes a third hand or somebody holding this can be really helpful. So I, as a teacher, often hold this, the brown end, and the children pull this slowly apart. If it goes too fast, it's not so good, but you want it slow and exact. And now once I get close like that, now I can pull it tighter and I wait until I see that old color pop through. It's popped there, I can see it. And so now I can tighten it, right? Quite tight. And now even if I wanted to pull it off or slide it down, it would not do that. So watch, I'm going to hold the needle here and try and pull that knot, and it's not going to go anywhere, pulling quite tight. So that allows me to do my first stitch here with the white yarn. Now, the very nice thing about this knot is if it should happen to land in the wrong place, you undo it. Super simple. You just pull the old color until it's straight like that, and you can feel it pop again. And you see what's happened there maybe? And all I have to do is slide that new color off. Let's do that again. So here's the old color, which is cut a good finger length, not too short. I'm making a slip knot any old way with the new color. I'm keeping the knot part loose. The old color goes through the loop of the new color. I pull the two, as it were, legs apart of the new color, and I aim it exactly where I want it to go, right snug under that stitch. Pull that until the brown, the old color pops through. There it is. You can see it, and you will be able to feel it. Nice and tight. And that won't come undone. It won't move unless I want it to. If I want it to, I pull the old color in a straight line, like tug it basically, so it actually does get into a straight line. And there you can see that the white is just going to slide right off. So that's my weaver's knot. I learned it as a weaver's knot. I think I might call it a Jeremy knot after my characters in the book, because he really liked to be exact and was worried it wouldn't turn out quite right. Thank you.